Now about the adjustment entries of abnormal or accidental losses, say loss by theft, loss by fire. Now this cannot have been in regularly in my business. So these are accidental abnormal losses, and how do we pass an entry and how do we record it in our trading and P&L account and balance sheet, we will learn in this slide. Okay, first of all, if there is a loss, I have to debit my loss. So the entry will be, say I will take an example of loss by fire. So loss by fire account debit. Loss by fire account debit. Generally, if it is a expense of indirect nature, I credit P&L account. But what is the actual loss by fire? It is my goods. The purchase which I have made has been lost or destroyed by fire. So here those are recorded in trading account. So I will credit trading account and not P&L account. A point to be noted here to trading account. So what have I done here? Accidental loss is transferred to trading account over here. Loss by fire to trading account. Now what will I do? I will transfer. Ultimately the loss have to come to P&L account. Some loss if borne by insurance company takes the liability. So I will debit insurance company or insurance claim account debit. Insurance company or insurance claim account debit. By what amount? By the amount of which the company accepts the claim. Say for example 100 rupees is my loss and 60 paisa in a rupee or 60% is admitted by the insurance company. So I will place here 60. Okay, and the balance which the company has not admitted is my loss. So where will I put it? I'll put it in profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debit by the balance 100 minus 60 40. This is my loss to loss by fire. By 100. Okay, we will continue. How will we put it in the trading and the profit and loss account? My trading account is here. My profit and loss account is here and my balance sheet is here. See, note one thing that whatever there is an insurance company claim, the admitted claim is an asset from me. For me, I will receive it from the insurance company. So in this case, it is 60 rupees. So my asset will be claim due from insurance company. Claim due from insurance company by 60. Okay, and now taking up the trading and the profit and loss account. What is the loss by fire? The loss by fire in total. So loss by fire in total, actually my purchase is destroyed. So one way is I subtract it from my purchase, saying it is loss by fire. So what I can do is in trading account, from purchase less purchase return, less loss by fire. This is a treatment can be put here, and the total loss will be written here. All the goods have gone. Now what will I do? In P&L, I will write to loss by fire, with the amount that the insurance company admits the claim, that much amount I will deduct. So I will do less insurance claim. So my loss by fire is 100, but the insurance claim admitted by the company is 60. So my net loss is 40. Okay, this is how it has to be treated. It's all about your accidental losses.